It's Mayor Caroline Simmons. I'm here at the Stamford Transportation Center, which is a critical transportation hub in our city. This is the gateway to Connecticut, and it is one of the busiest train stations on the Northeast Corridor after Grand Central Station. Investing in this train station and in our transportation infrastructure is one of my top priorities as mayor, and I wanted to share with you some exciting updates on the progress that we're making.
We're thrilled to announce that DOT is working hard on completing this brand new parking garage that you can see behind me. It's going to have 928 parking spaces, 38 electric vehicle chargers, bike rack storage, and an enclosed pedestrian walkway from the garage to the train station so that you can safely get to the station.
Secondly, making improvements to the overall train station. The Stamford train station is the second busiest station on the Northeast Corridor after Grand Central Terminal, and we aim to make it a beautiful, iconic, and world-class station. This will enhance the commuter experience, make our train station more accessible, and boost our economy. DOT is almost done with the public engagement period, and initial concept designs can be found on the Stamford Transportation Center Master Plan website at stcmasterplan.com. The next step is to incorporate all of your public feedback and continue into the design phase. Funding has been secured to initiate these plans, and we're so excited to get started.
As you can see, DOT is working on a number of initiatives to improve escalator service. Currently, they're working on 17 escalators to increase performance, safety technology, and aesthetics. We want to thank all commuters for your patience throughout this process, and DOT for your hard work to improve escalators at the station.
Additionally, our city transportation team is working closely with DOT to make improvements to streets around the train station so that we can make this station more accessible. Specifically, we're going to be adding trees, sidewalks, bike lanes, and lighting to make our streets safer, more accessible, and connected to the station. I want to say a big thank you to all of our transportation officials who worked so hard on this station, and I also want to thank the public and commuters for all of your feedback. We'd love to continue to hear from you on how we can improve your commuter experience and make this a world-class station that is more accessible for all residents in our region.